Not in the mood for a long wig review today, but you're curious about the color Honeyed Walnut Rooted from Riah? Well, you're in luck. Today we are doing just a quick color spotlight of this gorgeous color called Honey Walnut Rooted from the brand Riah. My name is Denise. I'm also known as heywigsister on Instagram and Facebook, and I am here on behalf of 𝖺EEARkiR𝗋ះto bring you this color spotlight video. So I already reviewed the style on my head. This is 𝖊𝗎ฉิ from Riah, and instead of re-reviewing this wig, I literally just filmed my review video. As I film this, it's not even out yet. So I'm just going to tell you about this color. If you would like to see my review of this style, I will link it in the description box below. So you can go ahead and click on that to go look at that review. And I also cover another Riah color in that video. It's completely left my mind what the color name is. I'll write it down in the description box below. So if you're only here because you want to know about this style, go find that link and go watch that. If you think though a color like this might be up your alley, then watch this video so you can learn about the color, because other wigs do and will come in this color. Now, 𝗏Eki𝗎L is an online retailer. They carry all the major name brands, but Riah is their new house brand. So Riah is a 𝗏Eki𝗎L brand of wigs. You cannot get Riah wigs anywhere else but 𝗏EkiÁL. And they're coming out with new styles all the time. I think they've got maybe 6 or 7 Riah styles right now. I've already reviewed a couple of them, and I'm really excited to be able to see some others and new colors as well, which is so fun and exciting. And you can find 𝗏EkiÁL online. They have a US online site, a Canada online site, and a UK online site. They also have some in-person wig shops. They have a handful in Canada, as well as one currently in the US in the Kansas City area. More to come. One's going to be opening in the Dallas area within the next few months, and I know they've got big plans. So definitely check out 𝗏EkiÁL for your next wig purchase. I'll put a link in the description box to this wig, as well as a coupon code that will save you on any purchase at 𝗏EkiÁL. All right, let's talk about this color. Maybe I'll show you what she looks like all around, because maybe you don't even know if you would be interested in this one, because then you can go watch that video. So this is a gorgeous, what I would consider a light reddish brown, kind of a light reddish auburnish brown. So how it's described is a stunning blend of soft brunette and creamy blonde tones that swirl together to make like your favorite treat, and it has a medium brown root. Okay, so what I'm seeing here though is more of like a light reddish. It's very reddish. The description doesn't really make you think that, but I would say that it does come across pretty reddish, like a strawberry blonde, but more like a light brown strawberry blonde. It's kind of hard to describe. It's a really unique color. It's not a pure red by any stretch, but it definitely pulls that blondish, light brownish, auburnish, reddish, in my opinion. And then we do have a brown root. They did a really great job with this root. It definitely is. It's subtle enough that it doesn't look like it's regrowth. Always keep in mind with my reviews in particular, when I do the indoor segment here in my studio, so you'll know because I either have the gray background or I've got the white background, I have a ton of studio lighting on me, and it's going to make rooting look darker than it will look in normal lighting. That doesn't make this wrong. And you need bright lighting when you make videos to be able to see detail. But it's going to look lighter in outside, for example, which is why I always go outside when I share about colors, so you can see the difference. And then indoors, it's going to fall somewhere in between what you see here and what you see outside. Every room you're in, the color will look different. Every building you're in, if it's fluorescent lighting, if it's warm eye level lighting, if you know, every lighting is going to affect this color a little bit differently. So the more you know, the more you can assess this by looking at the color on your wigs in lots of different lighting before you make a decision. It's pretty well blended. It definitely doesn't have super stark highlights. You know, there's a couple of like low lights, couple of lighter highlights here and there, but it's all very much within the same tonal palette. So it doesn't look, it's not like an obviously highlighted piece. And the blending is really good. You do have to look good though in those kind of warmish, almost an orangey light brown blonde. I'm trying to think of the best way to describe this so that you can envision what this might look like if you get it. It's a very unique color. There's really not, I'm struggling to come up with any brand that has a color similar to this. So I really think this is gonna make my redheads who don't need like the carrot top, fire engine, you know, really deep reds. If you like more of that sort of light brown, blonde, red, I think you're gonna love this. Let's get outside so you can see this color outside. And again, if you want to know more about 𝖊𝗎, the style, you can go watch that other review. And I wish I could remember that color name because it's a really incredible and another super unique color. So maybe just click on it just to go check it out because it is really fun sometimes to see what these companies are coming out with. If you have any questions, please let me know. And thank you once again for being here and watching my videos and supporting my love of sharing my wig journey with you. I'll see you guys soon. All right, honeyed walnut rooted outside. 𝖊𝗎 is fresh out of the box. I ran my fingers through her, but that's all I did. Such a warm color. There you go. Hey friends, thanks so much for watching. Here are a few videos I think you might enjoy. Go ahead and click on one and watch.